I like to put my hair all the way up in a ponytail. If your hair is short, don't worry about it. Just leave it down. But I put it in a ponytail and just do it section by section. Make sure my hands are oiled. Um, I also use these non-claps rubber bands. They're not the typical rubber bands. Because one other time when I first done my two-strand twist, I got a video of it and letting you know that I got some kinks. Like it left some marks in my locks, and my locks are still like that. So be careful with um, using the rubber band too tight. I only go around twice. And I make sure I don't go no more than two rotations with the rubber band. No more than two because you can really mess up your locks and put indentions. I learned last, like when I first done them, only two, and it's easy to remove. Okay, guys, I'm gonna come back to you guys once I am done. Make sure you oil your hands too, because when you are taking these down, you want to keep them crinkly. And you get two strand twist first, and then you get your whole nother crinkly look afterwards. Stay tuned to the end result. Okay, guys?